أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so today inshallah let's learn the next part of Surah Al-Ghashiyah, that is from ayah number 14 to 26 inshallah. Okay, fine. So first I'm going to recite this. After that let's look into the Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فيها سرر مرفوعة وأكواب موضوعة ونمارق مصفوفة وزرابي مبثوثة أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت فذكر إنما أنت مذكر لست عليهم بمسيطر إلا من تولى وكفر فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر إن إلينا إيابهم ثم إن علينا حسابهم. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let's learn the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. فيها سرر مرفوعة. فيها to count. سرور. Su is light, but these two ra's are heavy. This ra due to dhamma and this ra due to dhammatan, heavy. Dhammatan is followed by mim, idgham with two count gunna. Sururun marfu'ah. Mim is light, but make this ra sakin heavier. Mar, not more. More is wrong. Mar. Okay. Sururun marfu'ah. Ain again, it should be clear. And this round ta will convert to ha sakina. فيها سرر مرفوعة وأكواب موضوعة. Tajdeed here is due to idgham. The previous word is ending with tanween, that is why here it is tajdeed, but we are not going to read it. وأكواب kaf with hams and ba has tanween on it, followed by mim idgham with two count gunna. Wa akwabum two count gunna. Okay. Wa akwabum mawdu'ah. Aw kind of sound for wawleen. Mawdu, not do, not from the tip of your tongue, from the sides. Hafatul lisan. Mawdu'ah. There is ayn, not hamza. Ta marbuta, the round ta will convert to ha sakina during waqf. Wa akwabum mawdu'ah wa namariqu masfufah. Wa namariqu, ra kasra is light, qaf should be heavier, and don't recite it like a khu, it is a qu. Mas, sad is heavy, not mas. There should be a difference. So this is a heavy letter. Mouse. Don't make this meme heavy like mos. It is a ma. Masfufa. Fu. This fa is for two count. Waw maddiya. Fa. Again the round ta, the ta marbuta will convert to ha sakina. Wa namariqu masfufa. Wa zarabiyu. Ra heavy. And also for two count due to this alif maddiya, biyu. You have to emphasize this ya mushaddad. Don't recite it like wazarabiyu biyu. Okay, this is wrong. You cannot convert that ya mushaddad into ya maddiya. You'll have to do a little nabar there. Rise the accent and pronounce wazarabiyu, biyu, not biyu. Okay, wazarabiyu mabthutha. Mab, qalqala. These both the sas here are with no whistling sound. Okay, sa, sa, sa. Mabthutha. Thu, tha, okay, and this round ta will convert to ha sakina. وزرابي مبثوثة أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت أفلا لام تكان ينظرون. Ikhfa is done, and also the ikhfa, the gunna in ikhfa sounds little heavier. This is because this dha is a heavy letter, right? And there should be no buzzing sound in it, like not yaw, zoo is wrong. It is just like a dal. This is heavy, that's it, okay? Yanzuruna. Even the ra is heavy, but don't make this ya heavy, like a yo, okay? أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل. Lam is connected directly to this lam. إلى الإبل. إلى الإبل. كيف, not كيف. كيف خلقت. Kha and qaf. You can see both the letters here, which we usually mispronounce. We recite this qaf like a kha. That is wrong. Kha is from throat. Qaf is from last part of your tongue. So you should not pronounce it like khuliqat. It is a khuliqat. Okay. Kaifa khuliqat. And the ta while stopping, sakin is already there, so nothing to change, but you will have to do that hums. Okay. أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى السماء. This word is وإلى. Alif makhsura to count, and there should be standing fatha here. But why is there just fatha? Because next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. Mad is always cancelled when the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. So you'll have to cancel it. While stopping it is wa ila, but while continuation, while connecting, wa ilas. Okay, only one count. Wa ilas samai. Alif mad followed by hamza in the same word. Mad al wajib muttasil 4 harika or 5 harika. We are just keeping it 4. Wa ila samai. Kaifa, not kaifa. Kaifa, I kind of sound. Rufi'at, ru, heavy. Ra is heavy with dhamma. Rufi'at, ayn. It should be clear, and ta already has sakin. Nothing to change during waqf. So we will just have to do hums over there, okay? Wa ila samai kaifa rufi'at. وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الجبال. Same thing even here it is وإلى. Okay, alif makhsura 2 harika madul asli, but while connecting due to hamzatul wasl that madul asli gets cancelled. وإلى الجبال كيف, not كيف. كيف نصبت. نصي, not nusi. Nusi is a sin. Nusi is a sad. Nusibat. Nusibat. Okay, ta with the sakin already. Nothing to change during waqf, and also hums is done on ta. وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت. وإلى, but while connecting, وإلى الأرض. Ar, not ar. Ar, and also don't pronounce that hamza heavy like or. That is wrong. Ardi, ardi, ddi. Okay, it should be heavier from the sides of your tongue. وإلى الأرض كيف, not كيف. كيف سطحت. Su is light, ta is heavy, ha is light. Ta is in between sin and ha, so don't make that sin and ha sound heavier. Okay, suti, okay, سطحت. سطحت. With the lightness, how will this word sound like? It will sound suti. Sutihat. But that is wrong. It is suti. 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 Okay, and also in ta there will be no hums, right? Jahar letters. So you will not find any th kind of sound there. Sutihat. Ha very sharp and ta with hums. And also there is sakin already. Just pronounce it clearly. وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت فذكر إنما أنت مذكر. فذكر. Dhal with no buzzing sound. Don't read it فذكر. Okay, فذكر. Kaf, emphasize it. And the ra is already with sakin. If you want to stop here, there are two alamat of waqf al-mutlaq and qif. So you can stop. But if you don't want to, if you just want to continue, then you can continue. But in both the cases, you will have to add sakin only because ra already has sakin on it, right? Fadhakir. And also ra sakin will be light here due to kasra before it. Fadhakir innama. Noon mushaddad to kan gunna. Mad al jaiz munfasil. Jaiz munfasil, that is the mad due to hamza, where alif mad, that is huruf al mad, is separated by hamza in separate words. Okay, so there is a choice of stretching it either for 2 count or you can keep it for 4 or 5 haraka. It is up to you. But if you want to keep all the mad due to hamza for 4 count, that would be better. But if you just want to keep 2 haraka for mad al jaiz munfasil, that is also okay. That is why it is called as jaiz, permitted to stretch it for 2 haraka as well. إنما أنت. Just like how you say ikhfa here, right? أنت. The tip of the tongue should not touch the upper gums. To harka gunna. أنت مذكر. Dhal with no buzzing sound. Ra here is with dhammatan, which will acquire temporary sukoon. In sakin, we'll have to see a letter before it, right? That is carrying kasra. That is why ra sakin will be light here, okay? فذكر إنما أنت مذكر لست عليهم بمسيطر. لست عليهم. Ain is clear. علي. I kind of sound. Don't read it. Alayhim. Alayhim. First is a ain. That should be read carefully. And lay is wrong. It is a lay. Alayhim. Mim sakin is followed by ba. What we do here is ikhfa ash-shafawi, where we don't close our lips so tightly. Hold it very what we say, loosely, like a little gap in should be there. And it should be pronounced with 2 count. Unna. Alayhim bi, not alayhim. Alayhim bi. Alayhim bi. Okay. Alayhim bi musaytir. Musaytir. This is a ruling of what we call as seen or sad. There are 4 places in the Quran where there are 4 words where you can see sad and seen together. Seen is written above that sad. So you will have to pronounce it according to the rules of Hafs and Asim, which we are learning, the Tajweed rulings. The surahs are Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-A'raf, and Surah Tur, and this Surah Al-Ghashiyah. In Surah Al-Baqarah and Surah Al-A'raf, you will have to read the scene, okay? And in Surah At-Tur, you have a choice either to pronounce it like seen or with the sad. But here in Surah Al-Ghashiyah, you'll have to pronounce a sad here, okay? Be musay, not that seen which is above. You should read this as sad. Be musaytir. Okay, and the ta is heavy with the kasra. Even though it has fatha dhamma kasra, it is heavy, but recite it heavily here. Be musaytir. Okay, read the sad, not seen. While stopping, ra will acquire sukoon, and the letter before it has kasra. That is why you'll have to pronounce it lightly. لست عليهم بمسيطر إلا من تولى وكفر. إلا, not إلا. The meaning will change emphasize it. إلا من تولى إخفى من تولى. Lam for 2 haraka and also there is tashdid, emphasize it. تولى وكفر. Ra is with fatha, which will convert to sakina, right? But there is fatha before it, therefore it will be heavier. إلا من تولى وكفر فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر. فيعذبه. All the letters are for 1-1 count. You can just see short vowels here, right? But this zal has tajdeed, so you'll have to give little more time to emphasize it. And with no buzzing sound, ayn should be clear. فيعذبه. فيعذبه. Okay. And the word Allah here, right? Lam al-Jalala is there, which has dhamma before it, so you'll have to make this lam sound heavier. فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ. الله. Okay, connected to lam. فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ الْعَذَابَ. Ayn, dhal should be clear. Okay, ayn from the middle part of a throat, dhal with no buzzing sound. Don't read it azab. عذاب الأكبر. Ak, kaf with hams, ra will acquire temporary sukoon. Pronounce it heavily as there is fatha before that or sakina. Okay. فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر. إن إلينا إيابهم. Inna, noon mushaddatu kan gunna. Ilayna, not ilayna. Ilayna. Alif mad followed by hamza in a separate word. Mad al jaiz munfasil, mad due to hamza, which has a choice of 4 or 5 count. But as this is jaiz munfasil, you can keep it 2 as well. But better to keep it 4 haraka for all mad al jaiz, for mad due to hamza. Okay. Inna ilayna iyabahum. Iyabahum. Meme already has sakin here, nothing to change during waqf. Okay, pronounce it clearly just like idhar. And yeah, we'll just have to stop here with idhar. Okay. Inna ilayna iyabahum. Thumma inna alayna hisabahum. Thumma, not summa, no whistling sound, or else it will convert to seen. Okay. Thumma, mim mushaddatu count gunna. Inna, again noon mushaddatu haraka gunna. Alayna, not alayna. Ayn is clear and I kind of sound here. Alayna hisabahum. Ha very sharp. Hisabahum. Mim sakin already there. Pronounce it with idhar shafawi. Okay. ثم إن علينا حسابهم. Alhamdulillah. That is it. We have completed the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. If you have any doubts in the tajweed rulings, you can ask. I'm gonna turn your mics on. No? Okay, fine. Alhamdulillah. So let's end the meeting, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.